Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to set up Tailwind CSS in a plain HTML project, step by step. We'll go from zero to having Tailwind fully working in your project, so don't skip anything. Let's dive right in. First, create a folder for your project. Open your terminal and type npm tailwind-demo and cd tailwind-demo. I'm using VS Code with Ubuntu via WSL on Windows 11, but you can follow along using any editor such as Sublime Text or any. Next, make sure you have Node.js installed. Run node-v, npm-v. If not installed, drop a comment and I'll make a video for that. Now initialize a Node project. This creates a package.json file which will keep track of all our project dependencies. Then install Tailwind and its CLI using the command. Let's set up a simple folder structure to hold our HTML and CSS files. Run these commands. This gives us a source folder with an input.css file that will be our Tailwind entry file and a dist folder with our output.css file where our generated Tailwind classes will live and will be our link file to our .html documents. In your input.css file, add at import tailwinds. Create an index.html file in the root folder. Let's set it up and add some elements. Follow along. Let's have a look at our pure markup language. I will be serving my web page using Python HTTP server, but you can open yours by just simply locating the file and clicking on it. Or if you are on Windows, type on open index.html in your terminal. This is our web page, with no styling yet. Alright, let's now add some Tailwind classes to HTML elements and have our page style. Follow along. This is a simple HTML page using Tailwind classes like text for L, font extra bold, text blue 700, and so on. Before opening our web page, it's time to compile your Tailwind CSS. This tells Tailwind to take the input.css, process it, and output the result to dist/output.css. We are also using the watch flag so it keeps running and updates automatically when we make changes. Don't forget to link your output.css file at the top of the file. Now, open your index page again and refresh it. Reload, and there you have your first styd page using Tailwind CSS. Alright, let's go back to our text editor and add some more Tailwind classes to the rest of our elements. Our new Tailwind classes will auto-compile given that we ran our Tailwind CLI command with the watch argument. Okay, go back to your browser again and watch the magic unfold in your eyes. Pretty cool, right?